Advanced backup and restore settings in EasyTouch. In this video, we'll walk you through the backup and restore feature, helping you protect your system data with both manual and scheduled backups, and then restoring these backups whenever needed. Accessing backup and restore settings. If you haven't signed into EasyTouch yet, enter your credentials and click Login. Once inside, click Settings from the main menu and select Backup and Restore. Here, you can easily backup and restore your system data to keep it secure and accessible. The backup process allows you to save a copy of your data, either manually or through scheduled backups, ensuring regular protection against data loss. If needed, the restore function helps you recover saved data, allowing you to revert your system to a previous state. Now let's start by a walk through the steps to manually backup your data. Creating a manual backup. Select Backup now. Enter a backup file name or keep the default name. If needed, add a timestamp to your backup by selecting a date format. Choose a file location by clicking the folder icon. Decide whether to save as a new file or replace an existing file. Finally, click here to download the data. Your backup is now stored securely, scheduling an automatic backup. If you prefer to automate backups, select Schedule Backup and follow these steps. Like in the manual backup process, fill in the backup file name or keep the default name. And then, if needed, add a timestamp to your backup by selecting a date format, choose a file location by clicking the folder icon, and decide whether to save as a new file or replace an existing file. Then in the scheduler, set a start date and export time for when the backup should run. Define how often the backup should repeat. Enter a value between 1 and 99. Then choose an interval like daily, weekly, or monthly. If needed, set an end date to stop the schedule after a certain period. Click Save and Activate to apply your backup schedule. With this setup, your backups will run automatically, ensuring your data is always protected. Restoring a backup. Navigate to the Restore section. Select the backup file from the stored location. Click Restore, and EasyTouch will revert to the selected backup. Backup History. For a record of all previous backups, click Backup History in the top right corner. This allows you to review and manage past backups easily. That's it. Your system data is now restored successfully. And that's how you backup and restore your data in EasyTouch. Regular backups keep your data secure and ensure smooth operations. Thanks for watching.